singing it. Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to review another palette from the Volt collection by Jaclyn and Morphe. So I kind of made a little series on my channel of taking each palette from the Volt collection and making a eye look out of it. So if you guys want to see what eye look do I come up with today, just go ahead and keep on watching and let's get started. I'm not the type of person to do my hair every single day. I do it once in a while, maybe just straighten it a little bit more or just clip it up. In this case, I'm going to clip it up with these little ganchitos. These are like my absolute favorite. My mom has like a bunch of these around the house and they're really easy to put. You just have to get one side, get the other side with your hand. It's that easy. Oh my god, I have a big head. It's nice. It's something I wear out in public. Like, you don't know if she's like, you know, lazy to do her hair or she took a long time to do it. I don't know. I'm gonna remove my hair out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the actual video. So for today, I'm gonna use the Armed and Gorgeous palette. The front is supposed to match like the inside because this is like a fall, autumn, you know, palette. And these are the shades. Transition. For a transition shade, I'm just kidding. For a transition shade, I'm gonna use this shade right here, Axis. Before we take another step, I'm gonna go ahead and place my tape. I can't believe I forgot about it. This is literally my lifesaver. It saves me from not getting a crooked line on my eyeshadow once I'm done. So I'm gonna go ahead and place my tape. This is such a pretty color. It's like a mustard yellow. It is so nice. Olive green. Is it an olive green? Army green. Army green, olive green. I don't know. Is this an olive green? Is this an olive green or an army green? So for my second shade, I'm gonna dip into this green right here, Top Secret. Placing this olive green or army green shade along my crease, not higher than my transition shade, of course. Using this Wet n Wild packer brush. I know it looks a little too harsh right now, but I'm not done blending it. I'm gonna just quickly go ahead and cut my crease using this CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous concealer. So if you guys didn't see my previous video, I showed you guys how I cut my crease. So basically what it is tilt your head, dot the center, and outlining from your inner corner all the way to the dot, and then filling it in. Next, I'm gonna set my concealer using this shade right here, Poof. Next, I'm going to go in with Top Secret and just blend the outer corner. For glitter all over my crease, I'm going to take a Guilt Trip right here. For the center, I'm going to take VIP. These colors honestly remind me of the one monster from Monsters vs. Aliens movie. He's like a monster from the swamp or something. I don't know, but these colors do remind me of him a lot. I don't know why. For lashes, I'm taking these Kiss lashes in the style Shy. They're very natural, and I also picked these up at Rite Aid. So like always, first curl my eyelashes and then apply mascara. I love this mascara so much. Since these eyelashes are a little more natural, I'm gonna add on a little bit of mascara to them so they can get a little bit of more volume. For my lower lash, I'm going in first with Access. And on top, going in with Top Secret. For contour, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Pressed Powder. For highlight today, I'm going to use VIP. I'm going to put this on my brow bone. And on my tear duct. And on the nose. On my cupid's bow. And my cheekbone. For my lips, I'm going to go for new lips today, and I'm not going to put it on camera because my sister made macaronis and cheese, and I love macaronis and cheese, and I'm going to go eat, and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I just finished eating my macaronis and cheese. I thought that wasn't enough, so I went ahead and made tacos de frijoles. They're so good. I love tacos de frijoles. They're really easy to make, and you can basically top it off with anything like lechuga or like onion or tomato and then jalapeno and cheese. They're so good. But the last thing I'm gonna do for this tutorial is to spray a little bit of my MAC Fix Plus setting spray. I don't know if it's me that sprays a lot of setting spray, but my setting spray really does take a long time to dry up. So this is it, you guys. This is the finished look that I created using the Armed and Gorgeous Jaclyn Hill palette. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!